In this video, I'm going to be sharing a stupid simple meal that is going to help you get some gains, help improve your health as well, super healthy and super delicious as well. Let's get into it. $100 of oats. Rolled oats. This PB Fit, it's peanut butter powder, has less calories. And some protein powder. Not a whole lot, just like a scoop. Bruh. Maybe not that much. Scoop a little off of there. But I kind of, yeah, I'll throw that back in. Yeah, not too much. Like a half a serving. Some almonds. Put a little too many in there. Fine. It is what it is. Creatine. There we go. I like to add some cinnamon on. I'll probably add a little more. And some blueberries as well. Love those blueberries. Can throw about 100 grams of blueberries in there. There we go. Perfect. And to finish it, the almond milk. It's a necessity. Yeah, we're gonna need some more. We're gonna need some more. Alright, we're back. Some more. Full jug. You guys get to witness this. Wow. Oh. Spilling it everywhere. You guys can tell I do this often. Great. To top this bad boy off, we put some cinnamon on that. Yes. Voila. And if you want to make it a little more sweet, check this out. Add some honey. I like to get this one. Nature Nate's. And it's really that simple. So if you wanted, you could eat it just like that and have it like that. Or if you want to meal prep it, like I have some more containers that I'm gonna fill, that I'm gonna meal prep. You can do it. This is no bake. You don't have to put it in the microwave. You don't have to really do anything with it. You can just have it cold. And that's what I like about it. It's simple, it's fast, it's convenient, and it works for me and some of my other clients. So if you'd like help with building out your nutrition and learning more about it, then reach out to me. Hit me up on Instagram or book a call with me if you'd like to chat with me and see how I could help you with your health and fitness if you're open to it. But anyways guys, I'm gonna get out of here and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Alright, peace.